Hi, I'm Matthew. It's time to move out of your property. Here's what to do to make it as stress-free as possible. Have an action plan for leaving as a house. It isn't fair to leave one person to clean the entire house and assume responsibility. Make sure you divide up the chores evenly so everyone does their fair share. Planning ahead is the most important thing. Make sure you empty your bins, clean the property, and report any issues to your landlord before leaving. Check the contract for specific things you need to do. For example, sometimes you will need to leave a mattress protector in each room. Sometimes money from deposits will be kept if rubbish is left in bins. The university has a clear-out service called Students on the Move. This happens at term 3 and can help reduce the stress of moving things out, such as unwanted furniture, glass, waste bags and clothing. Keep an eye on our community page for more information. Don't forget the garden. You may be charged if you leave it full of weeds or mess. Clean the property thoroughly. Most landlords have the place professionally cleaned before you move in. If this wasn't the case, raise it with your landlord at the start of your tenancy. Take photos again. You may want to keep them with the photos you took when you first moved in. Bins. Make sure there is no rubbish in any of the bins in the rooms or outside. The university has specialist collections towards the end of term to help with moving out. These include grey waste collection, glass caddying and food donations. Have a look at any communal household items brought over the year that you no longer need. Is there anything that has been left over that could be donated to the British Heart Foundation or other charities? The community engagement team have a list of reliable charities that the university use. There are many support staff at the university that are keen to make sure you have a great time living in the city safely. We have lots of information on our website and you can contact us at any time.